I rediscovered this gorgeous, gorgeous piece of corduroy in my fabric stash. So sumptuous. And I had just enough to make a something or other. Maybe a skirt? I remembered Spoonflower had a free pattern for a denim jeans skirt, which would be perfect because it's so slimline. And I thought I might just have enough to make a skirt. Maybe have to leave off the back pockets, I don't know. It was worth a try. They also have instructions online for putting a skirt together. I loves me some Spoonflower. Well, guess what? I did have just enough to eke out a skirt in my size, and enough left over to cut out the back pockets. I serged everything as I usually do. Oh yeah, when you're working with something as sheddy as corduroy, don't forget to clean your serger afterwards. Here's the darling little key pocket that sits inside one of the front pockets. Some people use them for spare keys. I usually use mine for my special lucky coin. Back pockets? Yes! I was sort of confused as to where to place the back pockets, so I compared them to a previous jeans skirt I'd made. To do the buttonhole, I got out my vintage Grice buttonholer. I actually have two perfectly good Singer buttonholers for my featherweight, but I like how the buttonholes look with the Griced. Vintage Singer sewing machines are single straight stitch only, but you can definitely make specialty stitches. You just have to use these cool devices like buttonholers and rufflers and zigzaggers. More on that in a future video. Here are samples of the type of buttonholes that Grice makes. Purdy, purdy, purdy. Installing the zipper was fairly straightforward, but I messed up the beautiful Griced buttonhole. I cut through it by accident. Yes, I know better. I absolutely know better. Can I fix it? Yes, of course. Do I want to? No. So, I decided to just use a sort of bar tack to reinforce the area right outside the buttonhole. Oh wait, I should start this from the inside so the knot won't show. You know, I'm not going to bother to fix the actual buttonhole. It'll be fine. And chances are no one will ever see the mistake. I won't tell if you won't tell. Oh, where'd that come from?